everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your Kettlebell Superset 10-minute quick hit. It's just 10 minutes, so we won't do a formal warm-up, so go ahead and just start moving your body, roll your shoulders, shake everything out, get the blood flowing. Here is how it is going to work. We're working in supersets. So a superset is 2 different exercises that we do back to back with no rest. We're gonna have 2-minute rounds, and we're gonna be working with opposing muscle groups. So we will have front side, back side, or things that are working against each other. It'll make sense when we get there. We are going to have 6 repetitions of each, and you'll just go back and forth for a 2-minute round. It's gonna feel like an AMRAP. You work to your level at your own pace. Go ahead and grab a medium to heavy kettlebell. We are starting with a lunge. We're gonna have 6 reverse lunges, same side, 6 kickstand, and then we switch. Here we go. Your first 2 minutes starts now. So we are gonna go right side and left side on this. You can have that kettlebell low, or you can hold it center goblet style. It's only 6, so it's gonna come up quick. And then we're gonna take kickstand deadlift. So it's a hinge right through here, right? If you're feeling up for it, you can take it to a one-legged deadlift. It's up to you. Get in the back of the legs. Only 6. And then switch your legs. Here we go. If you don't feel like counting today, you just switch when I switch. That works too. It's only 2 minutes. It's gonna go by quickly. Breathe. And then let's get that kickstand right here. Woo! So it's a lunge pattern, and then it's a hinge movement pattern. So we're hinging from the hips, pushing into the front heel. Both knees are slightly bent, but it's a hinge instead of a lunge. If you're with me, we're back up to that front leg. Here we go, 1 minute down, 1 to go. It's gonna get over quick. I promise that's what you're gonna like about these rounds. Good form, quality over quantity. I don't want you to rush it. And kickstand, hinge, so watch the difference. Chest is going forward, right? Or leg up in the back, but still soft bend in the leg, right here. You got 30 seconds to go. Can you finish off that other side? Dropping it low. Keep it moving. 15 to go. Kickstand or one leg. Then we get a quick breather. We'll switch our gears. 2 and upper body. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax, shake it out. First circuit down, we only have 4 circuits. Next one, you got 30 seconds to breathe. We're gonna take it curl and press, and then we're gonna take it to a row. Your row, you're gonna alternate right and left, then you're in the center. Curl, press for 6, hinge, row, and row. So chest and shoulders, but we're sneaking in a little curl because they're working together. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Curl, press. You got 2 minutes. Core engaged, only 6 repetitions of each. Yes, you can. Remember, if you don't want to count, just switch when I do, which is right now I'm gonna hinge it, flat back. I've got 6, alternating between the 2. You can hand off your weight here, or you can put it down. Sometimes that helps you get a little lower. Good. Back up to the top. Here we go. Curl, press. You can have feet parallel, or if it helps you stay stable, 1 foot back. Sometimes that keeps us from arching here and thinking about keeping the core engaged. Whoo! Yes, that heart rate should stay up. It usually does on these quick hits. Hinge it here. Here we go, up. 1 minute down, 1 to go. We're not rushing our form. We're still getting full range of motion, even though we're going back to back. Up, up. What can you get in these last 45 seconds? I want you strong through the curl and the press. Yes. And breathe. One more if you're with me. We got 30 seconds. Here we go. Alternating that row. Pull. Yes. Squeeze in the back. 15 seconds right here. Can you finish out with some curls and presses? Up, up. Breathe. Yes. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Catch your breath for 30. All right, we are halfway through this workout. We got 2 circuits to go. All right, team, so now we're going to a squat. So we're gonna do a goblet squat. Then you have the option. You can just do a regular deadlift, or if you're feeling up for it, you can take it to a swing. Power it up, just like that. You might wanna go a little heavier. You want goblet squat to swing in 3, 2, 1, 6, here we go. Drive it up. So we got front of the legs, and then we're powering up, still a hinge pattern with that swing. So we're going squat to swing, or deadlift, up to you, whatever you got. But get set up, power up. Don't cheat the setup or coming in or out of that swing. Let it swing and relax. There we go, power back up, goblet. Drop it low. Yes, you can. Breathe. Yes! If you're just doing the deadlift, just take it to the front. Here we go. You can just be here or swing. Whatever you got. Front side, back side, right? If you are on those swings, you might be done. Get set up. Goblet. Here we go. If you want to take those toes out for a little variety, go for it. 1 minute down. 1 to go. Yes, you can. 6 and 6. Yes. Get set up. Power it up. Here we go. 6. Swing and relax. Here we go. Last 30 seconds. Can you get them both in? Don't rush it. Full range of motion. Then we're down on the mat. You got it, team. Whew. Yes. And breathe. Set it up. Power right through here. You got 15. If you want to finish out, just keep those swings going. That's what I'm going to do. Even though I'm hitting 6 right here, I'm just going to keep it going. So finish out with swings. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing and relax. Yes, team. Woo. All right, down onto your back. You can keep a lighter kettlebell close by, or you can keep this just body weight. You do you. We're gonna go bicycle with or without your kettlebell, and then we're gonna hold a plank, knees coming in. Let's get it done. Kettlebell or no kettlebell, in 3, 2, last 2 minutes. 6, slow and controlled. Really think about the core engagement, and then take your time taking it over. Bring those knees in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it over. Again, if you want to add the weight, you can. 6. Yes. Try to roll different sides if you think about it. And if you want, you can run it. 5, 4, more of a true mountain climber. It's totally up to you. Yes. So much core, but let's also get that heart pumping. 2, turn it over. You can tap it or run it. Stay lifted in the hips, tuck the pelvis. Core is engaged. Arms working hard. 1 minute to go. This core minute's going by slow, right? Yes. Take it over. Run it or tap it. 6, 5, 4. How is that core feeling? I know, take your time. If you need more time to get into it, go for it. Otherwise, we got 30 seconds right here. Burn. Yes. Woo. We have a whole core superset workout, right? Tap 6. Yes, you can. This is it for 15 seconds. 6. Don't rush it, get it done. Yes! Whatever you got for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Relax, stretch it back. Come up very slowly, team. I want you to pedal those feet, get that little stretch back through here. Slowly roll it up. Oh, how do you feel, right? I know. That last set was truly a burner. You know why? Because that was more of a superset of the same set of muscles, right? Versus we had different, we mixed up the variables, we had different dynamics working, but we had the same set of muscles versus squat, deadlift, all of that, right? All right, team, bring it up right here. Make sure that you get more of a stretch and a cool down on your own little stretch to the side. Everything was working hard through here. Check out all of my other quick hits, these 10-minute quick hits. Most of them are full body and they all will get strength and cardio. So your heart rate's gonna stay up just by the fact that we're moving through it with very limited rest. So on a day that you need something a little extra, on a day that you don't have a lot of time but you wanna get something in, full body in just 10 minutes. Remember these, bookmark them, save them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me keep making these free workouts for you. Take it behind, squeeze. Yes, team, thank you so much for showing up and moving with me today. Let's get one big deep breath in and out. You did it. That was your Kettlebell Superset 10-minute quick hit workout. Great job, everybody.